Are you worried about the essay section of the LNAT? Section B checks your ability to build an argument on complicated legal and social issues. And here is the key fact. It is never scored by a computer, yet it can still make or break your application. Here is the direct answer. Section B asks you to write an essay of up to 750 words maximum within a strict 40-minute time limit, typed directly on the computer. There is no numerical mark at all. You will choose one topic from 3 options. Ideally, the length of your essay should sit comfortably between 500 and 600 words. That is roughly a 4-page of clear, focused writing. This essay rigorously tests your ability to make a structured argument, analyze information, and communicate your points clearly and persuasively in writing, all under real-time pressure. Unlike Section A, there is no official numerical score for the essay. It is not marked by the computer system, and it is not marked by Pearson VUE, who conduct the LNAT on behalf of the consortium. Instead, your LNAT essay is sent exactly as you wrote it, directly to the universities you are applying to, alongside your Section A score. What you type is what the admissions tutors read. Different universities use the essay in very different ways. Some do not consider it at all, while others create their own internal grading system to assess it carefully. Some universities give the essay significant weightage in their process. It can sometimes account for up to 40% of your overall LNAT evaluation. So treating it as an afterthought is a serious mistake. Admissions tutors might compare your essay to your personal statement. They could also use it as a reference point during your interview. It matters most when tutors are choosing between similar applicants with similar Section A scores. The essay is assessed on clear thinking and expression, your knowledge and understanding of the topic, the persuasiveness of your argument, and the structure and flow of your writing. In short, it tests your ability to share your opinion on an issue in a way that is clear, persuasive, and logical from start to finish. That is what tutors are really looking for. The topics usually involve legal and social issues. These include things like criminal justice, human rights, and the role of law in society. You do not need specialist legal knowledge to answer well. That said, some background knowledge can help you understand the question better. So choose a question that genuinely interests you and one that you already know something about, rather than the trickiest one. You will choose from 3 unrelated questions. For example, you might be asked whether a universal basic income can reduce poverty and inequality, whether intrusive surveillance can be justified for national security, or whether hate speech laws infringe on free expression. Read your chosen question carefully before you begin, and check for any double negatives. Clarity on exactly what is being asked is the first and most important step in the whole process. The test screen has basic buttons for cut, copy, paste, undo, and redo, plus a built-in word counter at the bottom of the text field. But beware, there is absolutely no spelling or grammar check function. We recommend you take 5 to 10 minutes just to plan your answer. Your plan should identify your argument, show how you will express it, and create a rough structure to keep the essay focused and organised. Write down all your ideas, then pick the ones most relevant to your argument, and gather any real-world examples you can use to support your position and the conclusions you draw from them. Review your argument's balance to make sure you have genuinely considered both sides of the debate. A good rhythm is around 30 minutes writing, leaving the final 10 minutes to review and polish. Keep your introduction short and clear. You must provide a strong thesis statement that plainly outlines the main argument you are going to make throughout the rest of the essay. Use clear topic sentences and smooth transitions to connect your paragraphs. Where you can, support your points with evidence, whether that is a legal case, an academic journal, or a relevant newspaper example. Expand that argument across 1 or 2 middle paragraphs, using 3 or 4 convincing points. Then address the opposing arguments directly and explain clearly why they are not valid or strong enough. Finally, provide a robust conclusion summarizing your primary argument and demonstrating the strength of your points. Connect your paragraphs so the whole piece flows, without abrupt shifts in subject or tone. To understand what a well-written essay looks like, study sample essays and examples. But be cautious, because some examples online do not follow the LNAT rules or are simply poor quality. Always choose reliable sources. Practicing with real sample prompts is the absolute best way to prepare. In the LawMint practice series, you will find 90 sample prompts, each paired with a fully worked model essay to learn from. Take your preparation to the next level at lawmint.uk. Try the free full-length LNAT practice test first, then unlock 200 full-length tests with 8,400 multiple-choice questions. Subscribe to @LNAT Prep on YouTube for more expert guides like this one.